how to use the multiple progression in XVCapture. This is the home screen of XVCapture. We arrive here by bridging over from your practice management software. Due to the numerous practice management softwares out there, this is something your team leaders will show you how to arrive at this screen. Once here, click on Capture Images, and the patient that you bridged over, their information will auto-populate. I'm going to choose John Doe from my most recently used menu. From the drop-down menu, find the multiple. The progressions that you use the most will make their way to the top of this list. The ones you use the least will be at the bottom. This is the progressions. Up top with the green icon are the modalities. Let's choose multiple. Click on Capture Images. Select the device you wish to capture from. Let's choose the sensor that you're using. Add new shot in the upper left-hand corner. Add new shot. Let's highlight the teeth we need for our periapical. And we would need to position the sensor. Tell the software how the sensor is oriented. To the right is right. The top of the sensor is pointing to the right. Let's click OK. Let's say you have an emergency patient. Let's add another shot, upper left-hand corner. And we need now to take a bite wing. Highlight the teeth for that bite wing. Orient the sensor by clicking in this drop-down menu. The right side is right side, left side is left. Anterior maxillary teeth is up, the top of the sensor goes up. Mandibular lower teeth, the top of the sensor goes down. We do need to tell it how the sensor is oriented. And let's click OK. So we just created a bite wing and a PA for our emergency patient, perhaps. Let's click OK. And here's our layout we just created, the multiple progressions. Start progression capture, upper left-hand corner. Sensor gets ready. You fire the image. It processes and readies the next tile. You take that image. If you're done, let's click Done. And here are the images. If you've got the version 3.5, it is auto forwarding to your cloud-based server. If you've got the version 3.4, you would need to click the Save and Go Back button in order to save and forward these images to your cloud-based server. I want to show you another way to create the very same thing though, using the intraoral X-ray modality. For your emergency patient, click on intraoral X-ray modality, click Capture Images, select your device, tell the software what sensor you're using. I use a simulator. Let's highlight those same teeth for that periapical. The sensor readies, take the image, and using this capture additional images within 3 clicks, my sensor is ready for me to acquire a second image. Whether you choose new study, it would separate it into the series, would put whatever image we choose right beside it. And this new study script, the series, is if you have one records room in your office, perchance. You've got your Apteryx, your cephalometric, and your external camera. You could take those, just kind of quickly run through that series or script. If you do an FMX followed by an intraoral camera series in your clinical rooms, you could use that. If you have the capability to take a Apteryx and an FMX in that same room, a records room, you could choose that script. But I'm going to take another PA. Capture into the series with my simulator. Just say OK to this. This is just asking to clarify what type of image I want my simulator to take. So let's choose the bite wing now. So within 3 clicks, I'm readying my sensor and I can take that very same thing, a PA and a bite wing. If I needed another, capture additional images into the series. Let's choose my simulator. Tell it's taking intraoral. If I needed an anterior shot, highlight the teeth that you need to acquire and it puts it right into that series. Choosing Capture New Study separates whatever image you take. Here, the direct video digital capture would be your intraoral camera. And let's click on Simulator for me. And let's highlight those teeth again. Capturing that additional image as a new study separates it. We started this process with intraoral X-ray, and we ended up taking 4 images. Notice your auto forwarding status for your version 3.5. For your version 3.4, you would need to click that Save and Go Back button. Otherwise, if you're here, double click on the image and it'll bring it into this image enhancement page.